How long does Panasonic TV last? Panasonic TVs are known for their durability and high-quality components, with an average lifespan of 5 to 10 years under regular use. With proper care, optimal settings, and good maintenance, some Panasonic TVs can last up to 15 years or more without major performance issues. 1. Average lifespan of Panasonic TVs. A Panasonic LED or OLED TV typically lasts 50,000 to 100,000 hours, translating to 5 to 10 years of daily use. The longevity depends on factors like brightness settings, power usage, and overall maintenance. Second, display technology and performance. Panasonic offers LED, OLED, and plasma TVs, each with different lifespans. LED TVs last the longest due to their energy efficiency and durability, while OLED models provide better contrast but may suffer from burn-in over time. Plasma TVs, though less common today, tend to have shorter lifespans than LED models. 3. Factors that affect TV longevity. The lifespan of a Panasonic TV is influenced by brightness levels, ventilation, power surges, and overall usage. Running the TV at maximum brightness and keeping it in a poorly ventilated area can shorten its lifespan. Fourth, common issues. Overtime. Over time, Panasonic TVs may experience backlight dimming, power supply issues, or screen discoloration. Regular maintenance, software updates, and using a surge protector can help prevent these problems. 5. Warranty and manufacturer support. Panasonic typically provides a 1 to 3 year warranty, covering manufacturing defects and hardware issues. Extended warranties and authorized service centers offer additional support for long-term use. 6. Tips to extend the lifespan of a Panasonic TV. Lower screen brightness to reduce strain on the LED or OLED panel. Turn off the TV when not in use to extend component life. Keep the TV well ventilated to prevent overheating. Use a surge protector to safeguard against power fluctuations. Update firmware regularly for better performance and longevity. A Panasonic TV can last 5 to 10 years or more with proper care and responsible usage. By managing settings, ensuring good ventilation, and protecting it from power surges, users can maximize the lifespan and enjoy a high-quality viewing experience for years.